Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix you can't make this change at the moment. For example, if you are seeing this kind of error on your Facebook on your iPhone, and if you want to fix that, so how you can fix that? First of all, I will tell you when this kind of error occurs. So this kind of error usually occur when you try to make your account safe and you try to turn on the two-factor authentication on your iPhone, and after that if you try it for a while, then you see this kind of error. So first of all, if you want to solve this error, the error solution is in there, which means we want to turn on the two-factor authentication on a specific device. Then you have to simply first of all use Facebook on that specific device after logging in, and after that you can simply try two-factor authentication after a while, then it will be solved. But if the problem is still there, then how you can fix that? So first of all, you have to simply close this page. So here you have to first of all make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store here, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook on your iPhone. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, you have to simply open the Facebook app, and after opening the Facebook app you have to start the procedure to solve that problem. So here you have to simply click on that. As you click on that, you have to click on profile, and after that you have to simply go to settings. For this you have to simply click on profile, and after that you have to go to settings in three lines, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of settings and privacy. And here you have to click on settings, and in settings you will find the option of account center. So here you have to simply click on that. So here you have to simply click on password and security, and here the option is available two-factor authentication. So here you have to simply select that account, and after selecting the account you have to simply turn on the two-factor authentication. And if the problem is still occurring, then you have to simply try for another method. And if you didn't get the code and you didn't have turned on the two-factor authentication, then you have to simply open the browser, and you have to simply log in your Facebook account, and you have to do the same you have tried, which means you have to turn on the two-factor authentication while opening the browser and Facebook on your browser, which may be Safari or Chrome. And after that you can simply turn on the two-factor authentication on your browser while using Facebook. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.